Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
For a sour cream-free ranch, combine precise ingredients so flavors balance. Start with 1/2 cup mayonnaise and 1/4 cup buttermilk to replace sour cream while keeping creamy texture. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness and 1 teaspoon dried dill for herb backbone. Stir in 1 teaspoon onion powder and 1 teaspoon garlic powder for savory depth. Finish seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Whisk the mayonnaise and 1/4 cup buttermilk in a bowl until smooth before adding dry seasonings so the texture is lump-free. Add the 1 teaspoon each of dried dill, onion powder, and garlic powder. Stir evenly. If you want thinner dressing, add buttermilk 1 tablespoon at a time until desired consistency is reached. For best flavor, cover and chill at least 30 minutes so herbs hydrate. You can refrigerate up to 24 hours to deepen taste, stirring before serving for even texture. To vary the recipe, substitute 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt for mayonnaise for a tangier, lower-fat version, while keeping the 1/4 cup buttermilk. For fresher herb notes, stir in 1 tablespoon fresh chopped chives or 1 tablespoon chopped parsley right before serving. If you prefer a spicier kick, add 1/4 teaspoon cayenne or 1 teaspoon prepared horseradish. Store the finished ranch in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days, shaking or stirring before use to recombine separated liquids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.